history, Eleanor. And that history has not been great. But I promise, you take care of me, I'll take care of you.
In pursuit of 67 Ford Mustang gray. Correction, make that north on Main. Just
move! You want to get crazy with me? Come on, boy.
Let's start the restoration and modification. Here the car is sandblasted and panels replaced as needed. The kit is made out of carbon fiber, fitted to car, sanded, then painted. So everything on this car is 100% built in-house. What's unique about this Eleanor? There's a lot of Eleanors built out there. First, it's licensed. It's official. Next, the 427 engine. So, what does this engine produce power-wise? This engine makes 560 horsepower and 540 foot-pounds of torque naturally aspirated, but we can go all the way to 750 horsepower. It has a 6-speed manual transmission, plenty of torque, lots of fun to drive, and they sound bitching. As far as the subframe, we partner up with Detroit Speed on the suspension. It also has a quadra-link in the rear from Detroit Speed. We do the headers and exhaust in stainless. It has a Wilwood master cylinder, paired with Wilwood brakes, all the way around. We got 6 piston in the front, for pistons in the rear. They actually say Eleanor on the calipers. And on our brakes again. They're cross-drilled and slotted rotors. One of my favorite things on any muscle car is the side exit exhaust. A real nitrous bottle in there. It's plumbed and we dead-ended right under the car. So if a customer ever wants to connect it, it's all there ready to go. For the interior, we have carbon options inside for upholstery. Interior has custom gauges and center console. Let's go for a ride.